Okay, so this is to help you complete your homework on ionic bonding. So this is the actual sheet from your workbook, so you can see exactly how I'm gonna do this. And the example I'm looking at here is sodium chloride. So here it says draw an atom of sodium chloride, just the electron arrangement. If you look at it on the periodic table, it will tell you that sodium's atomic number is 11. Therefore, it has electron arrangement of 2 in the first, and then it has 8, and then it has 1. Okay, so this arrangement of 2, 8, 1 is not very stable, so it needs to lose 1 electron. This side we've got a chlorine atom. Chlorine has 17 electrons, atomic number 17. So therefore, let's try and do this a bit better. 2 in the first, 8 in the second, and then 7 in the final energy level. Okay, again, 287 is not stable, so these two need to work together in order to become stable. So how can they do this? Well, what's going to happen is this electron here is going to transfer across and become the 8th electron here, and that will then become stable because it'll be 2, 8, 8. So let's have a look at what's going on initially. Initially here we've got 11 positive protons, and we also have 11 negative electrons. So an atom of sodium has 0 charge. For chlorine, there are 17 positive protons, 17 electrons, 0 charge. So when they do this transfer of electrons, this sodium is going to become, we'll do the charge first. This sodium is still going to have 11 protons, but now it's going to have 10 electrons because it has lost this electron here. 11 positives and 10 negatives mean it's going to have a +1 charge. So electron arrangement for this will be 2, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is now positive, so what I need to do is put square brackets around this, put a little plus to show that this now is a positive sodium ion. On this side, let's work the bottom bit out first. We've got 17 protons as we had up here, but now we've gained this electron that's been transferred, so it's now got 17 positive protons, 18 negative electrons. That's going to give it a -1 charge. So in terms of what that looks like, it's going to be 2, then it's going to have 8, and then a bit of a flat circle, it's going to have another 8 with that electron that's been transferred. This we've already worked out is going to be a negative ion, so I can now do that to show that this has become a negative ion. These two, because they're opposite charges, they're going to be attracted to each other, and that attraction is an electrostatic attraction, and it's that leads these to form that ionic lattice, ionic structure that we'll learn about in future lessons. What I'll do, I've got a couple more examples I can do, so we'll add these as separate videos so the videos aren't too long. That's the first one to help with your homework.